So today I have these two Honda Civic Type R's from Hot Wheels. This is a 2007, but this is a brand new model. And so one of them is a custom, and then one of them is original. So this is how the original looks like. It's pretty neat. I decided to change the rims from the original. It's because I think it looks a bit plain, the original rims. And there's a plastic spoiler. And then here we have the custom version of this. And this is a bit stanced as well. And look at this. It's pretty neat. I did not undrill this. I only removed the rims itself. But man, that looks nice. Like 100 times better than the original one. With just some new rims. These are kind of pricey. And as you guys can see, I did not drill this. This does indeed roll, but not that good though. You just have to put a little bit of force into it. This piece is this wheel right here. I think I put it a bit too much inside. I'm not really sure what's wrong with it, but I'll have to fix it later on. But it's a nice one. One of my favorite customs that I recently did. And let me know what you guys think about the before. And that's the after. It's pretty nice. And this is a stance as well, so it's low to the ground. So it's pretty neat. Let me see this side. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a B-roll of this, and I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this wheel swap. And yeah, bye.
Senta no revólver que eu posto no TikTok. Que é sucesso, tu vai ganhar. Bebe já, tu vai ganhar. Pra você ter que fazer tudo que os faixa mandar. Minha piroca que eu posto no TikTok. Quer ficar famosa, quer ganhar ibope. Quer ganhar ibope. Quer ficar famosa, já tu vai ganhar. Pra você ter que fazer tudo que os faixa mandar. Quer ficar famosa, quer ganhar